In a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young woman named Elara. Known for her bright smile and kind heart, Elara was a beacon of hope in the community. However, a severe drought struck the village, withering crops and drying up water sources. The once vibrant community was shrouded in despair. Elara, though affected by the same hardships, refused to succumb to negativity. She believed that even in the darkest times, a glimmer of hope could shine through. Every morning, she would gather the villagers in the town square, encouraging them to share stories of kindness and small victories. One day, while searching for water, Elara stumbled upon an old, forgotten well covered in overgrown vines. With great effort, she cleared the vines and discovered that the well, though shallow, still had a trickle of water. Excitedly, she returned to the village to share the news. The villagers, inspired by her relentless optimism, banded together to restore the well. As they worked, Elara shared stories of resilience and hope from other parts of the world. She spoke of communities that thrived by supporting one another, even in the toughest times. Her words lifted spirits and rekindled a sense of unity among the villagers. Soon, the well was fully restored, providing just enough water to sustain the village. Grateful for Elara's unwavering positivity, the villagers decided to implement her idea of planting drought-resistant crops. They researched and experimented, finding innovative ways to conserve water and nurture their fields. Elara's influence extended beyond agriculture. She started a series of skill-sharing workshops, where villagers taught each other crafts and trades. This not only diversified their income sources, but also strengthened their bonds. The village began to thrive, even amid the drought. Word of the village's resilience spread, attracting aid and expertise from neighboring regions. People came to learn from Elara and the villagers, bringing new techniques and resources. Gradually, the village transformed into a model of sustainable living, all thanks to Elara's steadfast belief in the power of positivity. Years later, the drought ended, and the village flourished like never before. Elara's legacy endured, reminding everyone that even in the hardest times, maintaining a positive outlook could lead to extraordinary outcomes. Her story became a testament to the power of hope, unity, and relentless optimism in overcoming adversity.